Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to wire transfer money to Coinbase. So how you can add or you can say wire transfer money, deposit funds to the Coinbase with the wire transfer method. So first of all, this is the official website of Coinbase. As you can see, this is the help section and they have listed certain methods like link deposit funds via US Fed wire transfer. Either you want to do it this way or link deposit funds via Swift international wire transfer. That depends on you, like what is your current payment method. If you're a US citizen, you can use this one, or if you want to do international, you can just use this one, Swift international wire transfer. Now how you can do it, first of all, sign into Coinbase Prime. So once you sign in, you can just search the for the fiat portfolios, USD or euro. That is basically your local currency. You can say that and click on deposit button. So once you click on deposit button, so the third process, you can also click the asset to open the asset page. From the asset page, under trading balance, click deposit. That is basically the same process. Click on deposit, and once you click on deposit, so they will ask you to choose the method. So you can just choose US Fed wire transfer, as we are talking about this one. So click continue after reading adding verified bank accounts. So after that, they will ask you to attach your bank account, which is make sure that it is a verified bank account and a local bank account for the US. Make sure to add your verified bank account. Click continue, reading the wallet destination, withdrawal limits. You will basically see all the information. So just click on continue and sign in online banking account, and make sure to include your prime broker's account reference code to avoid delays on your deposit. This is the important notification. Now this one is for US Fed wire transfer. And now the second one is also similar. Inside the deposit, you just need to select this one, Swift international wire transfer. Select this payment method and you can just add your bank and add it. And this is basically important note. Make sure to include your prime broker's account reference code to avoid delays. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add or add funds to the Coinbase via wire transfer method.